Hello traders, here you can see on our cable intraday trade that we are running over here based on the price and volume Wyckoff Method setup over here. We're currently up about £370. As you can see on my trading view charts here as well, you can see that we're using a combination of volume and price. I'm going to be talking more about this in this video, so stay tuned. Hi traders, thank you for joining the MasterTheMarkets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It's Stu Narpan here, founder of MasterTheMarkets Daily Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders on this particular trade on cable over here, which firstly I'm looking at an analysis of the stretch principle, which we do over here at MasterTheMarkets, on how the bar forms. Okay, so I want the stretch to be formed in this case because I'm taking it towards the long, towards the bottom side. This is our open here, and once that's been formed, I see a higher probability towards a bigger range from open towards the upside, and that's the trade that we're taking, and that's the direction we're taking. How do we take it? We wait for the first breakout of this green line, retracement, then we look at price patterns to take it. So we entered here on the blue line over here at the price of 11863. Ignore the other two positions, they are on different strategies, but I will talk about them later on a little bit. I'll touch on them as well. Now, so 11863 is where we got in, and in terms of our stop loss, is initial stop loss is where this red line is 11828. Trailing stop loss at the moment is at 11867, which is where this orange line is. So we have almost broken even, locked in a little bit of profits as well. Okay, we're going towards our target, which is this green line here, based on our 80% ATR target.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Today was a bit different because not only did we look for our price pattern setup, we also took a look at our volume spread analysis using the Wyckoff method. This has been designed by Trade Guider company, which Gavin Holmes actually heads it along with Richard. And you can see over here, what we are really doing is not only do we wait for our confirmation signal with the dot with our smart money indicator, we also ensure that the green dots are there as well at the bottom too, okay, which confirms with the volume methodology by Trade Guider and the Wyckoff method as well. That's what we are having at the moment. The stats table at the bottom is telling us that right from the confirmation, what is the percentage of time that we get it to move. So as of now, let's take a look at this in terms of our stats charts. At the moment, it's gone up 42 pips. So this is one of the 36% that is running at the moment. 36% of them will get to more than or equal to 40 pips. And that's the power when you actually combine our indicator confirmation along with the VSA indicator. We get to capture the bigger moves, the guys which are going to move a much more further down the line towards our targets. Okay, so let's see how this trade progresses. As the trade progresses, we'll be trailing below the low of each bar, and we'll see how that trade progresses to be. We will keep you informed. I'll pause the recording for here, and let's see how that carries on to be. Okay. Okay, traders, as you can see over here on our cable long trade, we've trailed it to the low of this bar. We've been stopped out by this bar right now. So we had a good run. We did lock in a bit of a profit over here. And as you can see over here in our account balance over here, we just got stopped out here for 120 pounds of profit. Just a very tiny little profit. Didn't get to our range today according to our stretch BRO range analysis. Maybe you might just consolidate a little bit over there. But as you can see now, how they all are tying in together in terms of a stretch analysis and also using the volume analysis of Wyckoff as well, and which this indicator that you're seeing at the moment in TradingView has been programmed and put together by Trade Guider, Gavin Holmes and Richard. So really great compatibility. We'll be doing much more work on this and looking together on how to combine both these concepts together, price and volume, using the Wyckoff method. All right, traders, I think that's pretty much that from me for today. Use these concepts, reflect on them, and see how you can incorporate that into your own strategy as well. All right, so that's all from me for today. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.